Hello guys, so today we're gonna see how to set up and install Homarr, which is a dashboard to organize all your apps and self-hosted stuff in one page. This is how it looks like. You can put icons, apps, bookmarks, and even widgets. We're gonna see how to do that later. I think this is the best way to organize your self-hosted apps. For now, I'm just using the browser page, but it's not ideal. So let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's go. Okay, so as always, you're gonna start with creating datasets. For that, I'm gonna create one global dataset for Homer. The type is apps, and then we're gonna need three datasets. One for configs, always type apps. One for icons, called icons, apps, and one called data. That's it. Next, you're gonna install the app, discover apps, install. We're gonna choose a secret here. I'm just gonna use a random one. Make sure to enable this one to have access to other Docker containers inside Homer. Keep the port as default if you wanna change it, it's up to you. Now for storage configuration, we're gonna use host path. This is for configs. We're gonna choose apps config, Homer, configs, and then I'm gonna just copy the path to not do it again. For icons, it's gonna be icons instead of configs, and for data, it's gonna be data instead of configs. That's it. Let's install.
A few moments later.
Alright, now it's installed. Let's start it. We need a strong password for this. I'll just copy and paste it from my password manager. Continue. Alright, so it's done. Let's go to the board. This is the default page that you get. You're gonna edit it. The first thing you're gonna do is go to this profile and then switch theme. Nice. This way we can see a little bit better. Next, we're gonna go to settings and enable pings. This is useful for to have status icons for each app. Uh, there isn't much we should change here, so let's save. Back to board. Now to remove this, we can go to edit mode and enter edit mode. And then we can remove anything we don't want. For me, I'm gonna just remove everything except the clock. I'm gonna leave the weather for now. Next, we go add a tile to add a new app. We have apps, widgets, and categories. Let's start with apps. What you can do, let's start with the torrent client, which is Qubit torrent for me. I can find it in integration. This way it will have the same icon and stuff. If it doesn't detect the icon, you can change it here. You can like remove this. Just type the name of the app and it will get the icon for you. Next here you're gonna change to the IP. As you can see here, there is internal address and external address. Internal address is the address it's gonna check to ping it and maybe to get other status. And the external address is which address it's gonna open in a new tab when you click on it. For me, it's the same, so I'm gonna leave it like this. Also, we go back to integration. Here there is username password, which is used for connecting to QBitTorrent API. And then click save. Now we can even make it a little bit bigger and drag and drop it anywhere we want, as long as we are still in the edit mode. When we want to save, we have to click here, exit and save, otherwise it's not gonna be saved. As you can see here, it's not, it's red, but it's gonna become green, you know, in short time. Yeah, now it's green. It means it's up. Next you're gonna see add widget. There are many widgets here, not that much, but it's enough for me. There is the torrent widget to see the current download list, and there is the download speed. I'm gonna add both of them. Yeah, for now that's what I'm gonna add. This is my torrent list without going inside qubit torrent, and this is the current download speed. So I'm just gonna put it here. Let's fix this. All right. Let's add a new app. Let's say gonna add Pi-hole. It's not detected, so I'm gonna add it here. I need an API key, so I'm gonna get it quickly. And that's it. I need the logo, Pi-hole, and I need the address. Here the external address I'm gonna add /admin because it's what I wanna open when I click on it. That's it. Make it bigger. Next you're gonna add some widgets for Pi-hole. There is this DNS hole summary and DNS hole controls. So let's add both of them. For some reason I didn't find it. Maybe because it's not green yet. Let's save. Refresh. Let's try to put the IP address instead. Okay, so now it's working after I've changed the IP address. It's detecting the request correctly, and the control panel is working. This is to disable Pi-hole temporarily. I'm not gonna do that for now. Yeah, that's it. There's also the Docker integration. This is useful if you wanna quickly add an app. Let's say, I don't know, maybe Jellyfin and paperless. Add to Homarr. You can even restart apps from here, but I'm not gonna do that. Not sure why there's only one added, but yeah, I just had to refresh apparently. I'm just gonna change the name. This is paperless. Also, it doesn't detect the IP, so we need to manually set the IP.
Like and share if you made it this far. See you in the next video.